So this is what you're going to need to be able to clean your microwave easier. Some lemon juice, a cup with a handle, some liquid soap, and some water. So I'm just going to put a bunch of liquid dish soap in here. This cup has a very small bottom, so we'll just fill it up a little bit more. That seems good. And then we're going to add some lemon juice. Okay. And then some water. Next, you're going to want to microwave your cup with your mixture in it for about 2 minutes. Now be extra careful taking your cup out of the microwave because that water is going to be very hot, and as you can see, it spills over. So we're just going to take a towel and set this down, and then you can wipe down your microwave, and everything should come off nice and easy. And I always recommend taking out this plate, because most microwaves you can remove this. And I wash this separate, and then I can get underneath and really clean the icky parts. And there you have it, a nice clean microwave.